Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Payoneer to pay group invoices. So just tap on a Payoneer account and just tap to add a pair. If your pair has a company, you will just fill the all about her company informations. If they don't, if they are individual clients, so you will just tap on individual and just the first thing is that select the country where he is from, your client, like America, Canada and US. So after type the first name and the last name. I will just fill this randomly to teach you how it works. So you will just type the accurate name first and last. So in the last you will also add a official email address of your pair. So after adding email address, just tap on this next button and you will after next just select the amount and add a good description which you have to paid for work. So after just tap to send payment request. So your request has been sent in group invoices. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.